Welcome back to Operations Management. In this session, we're going to talk about how process strategy can be evaluated through something known as the operational audit. As we've talked in the past about process architecture and so forth, if we're starting from scratch, it's very easy to say, this is where we want our organization to head, and these are the kinds of process competencies we need to develop, and also this is the way we're going to build our processes. But what if we already have an existing organization? What we need to do is we want to take a look at where we want our business to go. That's our desired business strategy. And along with that, we have what kind of capabilities we want to have, as well as what kind of strategy in the operations and the marketing, finance areas, and so forth. So remember, we're looking ahead. This is what we'd like to have, and what we'd like to have also is an operational structure, our processes and our infrastructure that matches our particular business strategy. But if we already have an existing organization, we already have things in place. We have existing capabilities, we have existing processes and infrastructure, and they may or may not be able to produce our desired business strategy. If we already have an assembly line set up, then suddenly trying to make a very customizable product is not exactly feasible. On the other side, if we have a job shop structure, suddenly trying to be a low-cost, high-volume provider might be very, very difficult. So what we need to do is take a look at our existing strategies as well as our desired strategies and see where the gaps are. Basically, we're looking at what is feasible given what we currently have versus what we want to have. What our capabilities are now, what we'd like them to be, and in terms of processes and infrastructure, what do we have now? Where should they be? That's what an operational audit gives us. It tells us where our problems are and what we need to change. We either have to change our desired business strategies, or we will have to change our capabilities in order to meet that. So this brings us to the area of strategic fit. By strategic fit, we're saying that we want to make sure that there's consistency between our strategic position in the industry or the market and the competencies of our process architectures and our current policies. So that's what we need to do. And in our next session, we're going to take a little bit further at the strategic fit by taking a look at how different strategies come about. We're going to look at them from different perspectives. We'll see you then.